Oh, this is so cool. So instead of an elevator, they have a wheelchair lift. Look at that. I thought this was a Lula at first. I'm gonna turn the flash on. It doesn't look like it even works. I sure hope I don't get busted, but here's to our cab view. This is a Savaria wheelchair lift. From the outside, this looks just like a Lula, but it's not one. I know Gloose, you're gonna love this. Okay, so I don't think this works. EPIC fail. Well, there's a big spider there. Let's just say that this elevator just doesn't work. But look at that. You can see up into the shaft. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end the video now. That's so cool. And that's it.